Hello everybody and welcome back. Thanks for joining me again today. So today I've got a very quick and easy sort of last minute Halloween decoration idea. So I've got some of these wood slices. I got these from Arteza. These are their medium size, which are all 6 to 7 centimeters in diameter. They're not all perfectly round, but they have holes pre-drilled. I got these, I've had them for ages, not done anything with them, so I thought, why not do this? So today I'm using the Halloween Spooky Door Bundle from Creative Fabrica. It's a set of 20 sort of faces, spooky faces. I guess you could cut them from vinyl and stick them to doors. But I thought what I've done is I went into Canvas Workspace and I arranged them all on a piece of paper, piece of cardstock, and then cut them out to make these little sort of mini stencils that would fit nicely on one of these wood slices. So for this one here, I've already done it. I basically just painted. I'm using these iridescent colors. So this one I painted 2 coats directly onto the wood. It's not too bad. They've got a sort of shimmer to them. And then I used this Izink glitter paint. This is light green. And passed it through one of the stencils to create a scary face. So that's a super easy way to, and very quick. So you could do several of these and then arrange them on a piece of string or something. So I'm just going to, this is the fancy black in this iridescent acrylic batch. So I'm just going to paint directly onto the wood slice. And then once you put that side to dry, and then when that's dry, you can just, while that's drying, let's have a look at the faces. There were a couple that I didn't line up properly, so they didn't cut properly. They came off the page. So I don't have them all, but this is a selection. There you go. There were 3 of them that I cut incorrectly, so I had to, they didn't work for the mini stencils. But there you can see you've got a variety of different faces, and also there, you can mix and match. You can change the eyes, you can change the angle of the eyes, you can match different mouths with different eyes, so there's a lot of scope there. Now that I'm seeing it, actually, you could probably make these a bit bigger. These I grouped them together and then set that to 4.5 centimeters. So get your wood slice, make sure that your hole is at the top because you're going to be hanging it. You want your face to be the right way up. Choose one. I'm going to go for this one. Just position it center-ish. And then I'm using this Izink glitter paint, this diamond glitter paint. It comes in a variety of colors. So just give it a shake, and then I'm going to use my palette knife to spread it on. So you only need a little bit. I'm just going to take it like, whoops. Oh dear. I'm going to take it directly from the container. That almost went everywhere. Then just pass it through the stencil. And then this is just card, nothing special, just white card, so it's not going to last long. If you wanted to make them a bit more long-lived, you could always cut them from, you know, stencil material or something a little bit more robust. But I don't mind, this is just a temporary thing, so card is fine for me. Spread your stencils, spread your paste through the stencil, and then when the coverage is fine, just carefully lift it off. And there you go. That's so cool. Quick and easy and effective. And you can just do a whole lot. You can change the background color, change the face color. You can do the eyes in one color and the mouth in a different color. There's all sorts of possibilities. And then you can kind of string them all together and make an arrangement or a kind of a banner or bunting of some description. And that's kind of fun. So there you go, a quick and easy last minute Halloween decorating idea. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a thumbs up and also consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for joining me today. Take care. Bye.